According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the largest avocado ever harvested was a monster grown on Hawaii that weighed 5.6 pounds. That will make a lot of guacamole. Hi, my name is Jeff and welcome to the Tropical Garden Guy channel. Today we're going to discuss growing huge varieties of avocados. But first, if you like this channel, make sure to hit the like, subscribe button, the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my best to get back to everybody with their comments and questions. So let's take a look at a few large varieties that I grow. The first thing you must do is find a known variety that produces large avocados, and it also must be hardy to your local area. Most avocados that are huge are also West Indian, which don't take cold. Take a look at this huge avocado found in the San Francisco Bay Area by fellow YouTuber Gary Gregg. It is huge and also takes cold because it's of the Guatemalan variety. I think they take probably down to about 25 or so. But you also want them to be tasty, and take a look at this guacamole that I made out of that big fruit. The queen avocado is known to take quite a bit of cold and also produces huge fruit, probably in the 2 to 3 pound range. I have one growing on my front yard tree, and we will take a quick look at that in a moment. The second tip I have to offer is grow your avocado trees on a raised bed, a raised foundation like this. It does miracles. The soil is healthy, and I add a lot of composted material and leaf litter, especially avocado leaf litter. The avocado trees in nature are so used to having leaf litter that they do the best that way, and you grow the hugest avocados. Now let's take a look. See here, I have a newly grafted tree that was top worked, and there you go. I chopped up some prunings from an avocado tree and I allow them to break down around the base of the tree. It grows the hugest avocados this way. The next tip is abundant irrigation water during warm spells. I like to regularly water these things using this hose end soaker hose. Use a little adapter, hook it up to my hose. It puts out a couple gallons an hour, and I soak it very well a couple days before the heat waves in the summer. Otherwise, I just use a regular sprinkler a couple times a week. But yeah, you want to really soak this in really good, because even though the feeder roots are not that deep, it still requires a lot of water. And here's the fertilizer I use. I use Hollytone, and I also use Sulpo Mag. Now you'll want to follow the instructions on the box and the bag for the best results. I currently have only one fruit left over from flowering last spring. And here we go with the huge queen avocado. Now this queen avocado's been on the tree for 11 months, but it's smaller than would normally be, mainly because the tree itself is small, and because I do a lot of grafting onto it, and it's my demonstration tree. I also have a couple other large varieties. Here we have Big Black. Now Big Black is like a Mexicola Grande on steroids. Here you see the Mexicola Grande set fruit, and there's Big Black, as you can see, much bigger. Here we have a Big Black versus store-bought Hass. And here's another Big Black alongside of a Mexicola Grande. Now that Mexicola Grande is 9 ounces, so you can imagine how big the Big Black is. So there you have it, a couple tips on how I grow big avocados, the biggest. My name is Jeff. If you like this channel, make sure to hit the like, the subscribe button, the notification bell. Any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my best to get back to everybody's comments and questions. You have a wonderful day.